just finished my workout. I'm gonna go shower soon, but before that I have to quickly take care of some work. So my laptop's mouse pad doesn't work anymore, like the trackpad. It's completely ruined. I dropped water on my laptop by mistake. How fun. Thankfully, because Shane uses the iMac outside, it had this magic mouse that I'm using because there's nothing else. But to connect this magic mouse to my laptop was a task because my keypad wasn't working. I couldn't like go select settings and like go and connect the Bluetooth and stuff. So I had to watch this like really techie video, and I hate techie stuff, but I had to watch this techie video, and it took me 45 minutes to like figure out how to put on accessibility and then use my keypad to work as a mouse and then select it and connect. It was a task. It took me 45 minutes, but I finally did it yesterday, and now I can use my laptop again because there's no way in hell I'm paying 30 grand to replace my keypad. That just doesn't make sense. I am getting ready now. I'm going for the opening of the Valentino store at Geo Plaza today, and I'm very, very excited. I usually don't go for a lot of like events, but I don't know why I just felt excited about this one. And my best friend Ida's coming with me as my +1, so she's gonna be picking me up soon. So let's do our makeup and outfit and hair, and let's get ready. Dress from Naked, and I'm wearing a brown corset on top of my dress from Layered. My earrings are from Athena Jewels, and my necklace is from Shop Weekend Lane. And I'm carrying this Valentino bag, of course, because it's a Valentino store opening. Ida's looking gorgeous in this outfit.
It's Alia's dress.
That doesn't fit me. We are on our way. We're probably going to reach in a little bit, and Ida and I both have really bad social anxiety.
Yeah.
So we're both a little scared.
But it's like, if there are people there, we're gonna be nervous, and if there are no people there, then we're just gonna be awkward.
Yeah.
So it's like
there's no win. It's a lose-lose situation.
Just gonna be losing, yeah. ordered some clothes from this Instagram ad that I got for this brand called Dion. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It just came and I'm so excited. I don't shop from Instagram ads and Instagram stores too much just because I've had some bad experiences in the past. But this one looked like trustworthy. I did my research. People seem to really like this one, so I ordered from here. I just got 3 things, but this is what I got. So the first thing I got is this brown set. It is this skirt that has like shapewear inbuilt, and it comes with this brown top which also has like pads and stuff inbuilt to it, which is really cool. Then I also got this dress. Now this dress, I saw this print trending everywhere, and it seems like it's a really popular print this summer, and I was trying to find it everywhere. I could not find this print anywhere in like the exact style I wanted. But then the Instagram ad I saw was actually for this brand, so I'm really happy that I found this print. This like blue, very European summer, chilling in Italy kind of print, and I'm very happy about it. And the last thing I got is this corset top. The thing I liked about this brand was for each thing you got to put whether you have a cup size between A and C or D and above, because my cup size is D, and it's really hard for me to find tops and stuff that like cover everything and like look flattering. It just makes me look like slutty because the cups are never big enough. But they actually had an option for cup sizes, so I got a cup size that's actually gonna fit me, and it came with these like detached sleeves. I love a detached sleeve moment, so very excited about this as well. But yeah, the quality seems good. This is not sponsored or anything. I'm just happy I found an Instagram brand that I had a good experience with and where the quality seems good.
So my podcast episode with my dad came out yesterday. If you guys haven't watched it, go check it out. Also, I have a little bit of a sweet tooth, but I'm trying to eat healthy, so I think I'm gonna bake gluten-free and sugar-free brownies, because I'm really craving like a brownie with like a healthy dairy-free ice cream kind of vibe. Now I can't make ice cream, but at least I can make the brownies.